Hi, this is Raymond from EVOffer. Today we will try to just play with some experiment because a lot of customer ask some kind of question like, hey, what happens if something is touching the button in the front? Would it open and go all the way up? Yeah, so today we'll try to do an experiment. So this is how our experiment do. So we'll try to simulate the button closing, the button pressing by doing this. This is the existing wire to the button. So we'll try to connect this button using this wire. If I touch this to the ground, it will try to simulate the button pressing. So we will try to drive and see what happens if we touch the button. So this is our wire. And we have a ground source here, yeah, you don't need to see it. Yeah, so whenever I touch it to the ground, it will simulate a button pressing once. So now let's try to start driving. Yeah, it's getting dark, but yeah, so let's try to start driving, and then I will try to let me buckle my seatbelt first. So Warren is our driver today, and then we'll start doing the experiment. So now we are moving the car, and then I will start hitting the button. So let me see. So this is in km per hour, not mile per hour, but yeah. So 1, 2, 3, touch. So now you can see that it said the front trunk is unlatched. So but when we see the car here, the front doesn't raise up, so we can try to see what happened. So the front actually have two stages of two different latching system. So whenever we touch the, so let's get to the P first, yeah, because it's just the alert is very annoying. So yeah, so whenever we touch the button when the car is moving, actually the primary latch will unlatch, but there is still a secondary latch that catch the mechanism, so it prevents it from going up. So you can see the front is still not free, so it will not fly up. If I try to go up, you can see something is blocking the way. So let me try to see, show you what is holding it. Yeah. So basically you can see this hook. This is the one that hooking the upper latch. So when someone hit something inside the front, hit the button, this will get released like this. But this one will not move. So it's still hooking on the hood, so preventing the hood from moving up. So that's basically what happened if something in the front touch the button. The front will pop, but it will not go up because it's still this thing here is hooked by the hook here. So the system is pretty safe. Yeah, and this is all the OEM design. Our system always is just assisting the hood to go up and down and do the latching, but for the every other feature like opening the front, unlatching the hook, this is all OEM behavior. So we did not touch anything like this. So this is as designed by Tesla, not us. So this is to show you what happens if you have any concern about if the front will go all the way up when driving. It will not.